Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make 5,000 naira plus today with these two great platforms that I've been using for a while now, and I've been using it to be making money. I'm going to show you guys how I do this, so please watch this video to the end so you get the whole full tutorial on how to make money online here in Nigeria. It's very easy to do. One thing about some of you guys that you watch my video but you don't take actions. Some take actions, they register but they don't proceed with the procedure. So this is on how to simply easily do this. You understand? What I do is very easy and you can also do it. So first you have to go to this website. Without wasting much of your time, I want you guys to know that probably in Nigeria you can easily make decent amount of bucks online. You don't have to go on a street hustling, uh, grinding. You can just get the rightful information, and I'm here on this channel to provide you the rightful information that you need to make money online. I only show you a site that works very well, that pays off. That's why I introduce myself. I show you my face. I show you guys. I show you proof that this site really works. So I'm going to go to my dashboard today and show you guys how I easily make this money and how I was able to withdraw this money straight to my bank account. So you don't have to worry doing the withdrawal. I'm going to give you all the details that you need to be able to make money online here in Nigeria. So if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that you get update anytime I release a new money making video. So first you have to go to this website. This website, I've made tutorial of this website before on my channel. So if you haven't watched the video, just go and check it out. I've been making money from this website actually, and this is one of the proof that I've been making money. And the part I'm using to make money on this platform is not really hard because I do complete taxes. I make money from this website. So you can see today that I earn about this is my referral, and I earn almost 400 naira only by referral, and I make about 1,226 naira today by just completed taxes. So let me show you guys available taxes here. So the website name is NairaWorkers. I'll show you guys this website before. It works very well. Understand? You have paid out millions to people, to the users. You understand? You have paid out millions of naira to the users of this platform, and they have available jobs. They have high-paying jobs, and the reason why I love their job is that they really pay big. Understand? And it's free to register. It's free to register on NairaWorkers. Just use the link at this video description, click on it and go to this website and start completing taxes and start making money. Some of you guys worry so much and complain a lot of not having money, but the problem there is that some complain about not having money, some don't even want to pull in the work. This is how to do it. You need information and you need to have the ability to take action so that you can be able to make that mass. So here, this is it. You can see available jobs on this platform. You can see 100, 110, 100 naira, 100 naira, 100 naira, 82 naira, 82 naira, 78 naira, 78 naira, you see, you can see a lot of jobs. So after completing all these whole tasks in a day, why can't you make up to 2,000 naira in a day? If you go on a street hustling, grinding, sun beating you can easily make this box. And this site provides new jobs every day. Every day you log in, this site offers you job that you complete. And what I love about this site is that they pay you big. Understand? Their tax pays very well, and when you complete your tax, it won't even take up to some few minutes or hours. They will approve your work and your account will be credited. When you check your wallet, when you click on your wallet, you will see, when you click here the right wallet, you will see your actual earning. So you can see the amount I just make today. You can see this is my tax earning. You can see tax earning. You can see my tax earning is about 226 naira. And actually, for you to withdraw money, for me to withdraw this money, I have to send this my referral, because if my referral earning is also my earning, so I can send it here and see if you reach 2000. If you reach 2000, I can just withdraw it. I've been withdrawing from this site. I've withdrawn more than 3 times from this side, and I'm going to on my next video, if I'm about to withdraw this one, I'll make sure I don't forget, so that I will show you guys how I withdraw and how I receive the alert on my bank account. So it's very easy to do. I don't want you guys to worry much about this site. Just use my link, because there are a lot of fake site out there. When you search NairaWorkers, a lot of sites will pump up, but for you to get to this legit site, to this one in particular that is the real site, just use my link at the video description to go and register, so that you'll get started and start making money easily here in Nigeria online at the comfort of your home. You don't need to bother yourself much. So this is, let me transfer this my referral earning. So here is where to transfer your referral earnings. You understand? Transfer referral earning to a task for withdrawal. So let me transfer it and see how much remains for me now to being able to complete fund transfer was successful. So I've transferred it. So it's remaining about 400 naira now for me to be able to withdraw my money, because if I click on this withdrawal, they will tell you actually that you need about almost 2000, which is about 1999 naira to being able to withdraw. You see, you can withdraw your earning when you earn over 1900, so which is about 2000. Withdrawal are proceed every Friday, so they normally pays every Friday. So if you request for if I wish this 2000 naira now and request for a withdrawal, then I have to wait till Friday before they will proceed with the withdrawal, so that I will get the money straight to my bank account. But I will not forget again. And next time, as I'm doing my withdrawal, I'll make sure that I remember to video my withdrawal process and how I get the money to my bank account, so that I will show you guys that this actually works. But because some guys, they don't just believe me, understand? And that's one thing that is killing some guys. They're just full of doubt. Understand? You don't try things out, you just conclude that it's a scam or this and that. This is not. Understand? It's real. This NairaWorkers is real and it's paying out. You can go online, you check reviews of people that have been using this, and me as a person telling you that this site works means that this site works very well. And me making video about this site shows that this site is one of the best freelancer site that you can ever use in Nigeria. And one thing about it is that it's free. It's very free, so you can easily earn. You can see it here. So this is you are yet to reach your minimum withdrawal. So as you can see, so I have to earn extra 400 naira now, about 3 something, to being able 360 naira now to being able to withdraw my money from this NairaWorkers actually. So as you can see, the jobs, available jobs, when you come by here, you just click at my link. If you haven't registered, just register. If you're already registered, go and start completing jobs. Just click on this browse jobs. You click on browse jobs, you will see available jobs. You can see recent jobs, you can see most expensive jobs. Then you choose the types of jobs that you can easily accomplish. So I want to guide you guys on how to complete taxes here. So you can see these are the recent jobs and these are the highest paying. So you click on this highest paying, it will show you highest paying jobs that are available on the site. So anyone that you have done, it will show you that you have been done. So all this one I haven't done them, and I will start doing them very soon now. So that I need the I need the molar, so I have to start. So I've done this one, I've earned this one now. So I've ate 50, almost 60 naira. I've done this one, and they have paid me for that. So you can see a lot of jobs are here, a lot. You can't finish the jobs that on this site. Just go on, use my link at the video description and go and register. So if you haven't registered, you're missing a lot. You're missing a lot of money. You are leaving a lot of money at the table. And this is another legit site I'm going to show you guys. But on this site now I'm going to show you guys today, you make massively big. First time I was doubting this site until I give it a trial. If you check my last video, I make one video about OwoDaily. Owo means money and daily means that you earn every day. You understand? Owo in Yoruba means money. You understand? So let me log in with my account actually. Let me log in. Let me put my email address actually. Okay, so this is my email address. Let me log in. Okay, this is my account here. So if you haven't watched, click this video. I make a full tutorial on how to be able to register on OwoDaily, and I'm going to leave the video link at this video description, so you watch the video, so that I guide you on the video on how to register on this site. This site will work very legitimately. I was doubting this site until I just feel like, oh, let me just give it a trial, because it's not about giving a trial, it's not about trying things. As long as you are a young person, the best thing the first thing you can ever do for yourself is to be taking risk, because time shall reach when you start regretting things that you don't even give a trial. Understand? Because we are still young and we have a lot of potentials. So it's all about trying new things. It's all about taking risk. Life is all about risk, and this is not even risky thing, because probably this site pays you good. But the reason why I'm talking about this is that probably on this site you pay to join. You understand? You pay to join, and someone will be like, "Oh, you pay to join. Oh, I don't want to spend my money. I don't want to lose my money." But in any business, you need a capital. You understand? In any business, you have to put in something first before you get something out from that business, and this is how it works. You can see that this site pays very well, and you can see job of 250 naira, you can see job of 12 naira, you can see job of 10 naira, 20 naira. But this is how much I just make recently. Just look at it. Just take a look at how much I just made recently. 3,319. Understand? So this is the amount I just made recently, and you can see that I make most of the money from just completing taxes. You can just click next here, you will see more jobs. As you can see, here is OwoDaily. This site is OwoDaily, and you can earn in 5 ways on this site. You can earn by being a villager, you can earn by referring people, you can earn by completing taxes, and you can earn by being a partner. You understand? So you have a lot of ways that you can easily earn from this side. So normally now you pay a minimum, you just pay 3,000 naira. You just pay 3,000 naira. So you pay 3,000 naira. This is my second account on OwoDaily. I have my first account. I will soon make review of that account, because I made a lot of withdrawal from that account. This is my new account that I just used. At the video at the video description, I made the video I think few days ago. I use this account to show you guys how to sign up on OwoDaily, and without wasting much, without even taking some days off. This is what I've made. You see, this is what I've made, and I will cash out very soon, because the minimum cash out is 5,000. Understand? So I'll cash out from this app very soon. So now you just use the link at this video description to register at OwoDaily. OwoDaily is legit. They pay very good. You complete taxes, they pay you. You become a villager, you post, you do a lot. So I've made the video, all details about OwoDaily. I leave the video link at the video description, this video description. So you watch, you check it out. How to register, how to become a partner. This is where to get your affiliate link. You just click there, you get affiliate link. So let's say that you register with just common 3,000 now, and you just refer only 2 people. You don't even see. This is how I do it on my main account that I'm using. I just make video or post on my Instagram handle or my WhatsApp, or tell people how they can easily complete taxes online and make money. And when they click there, I tell them they will have to pay at just 3,000, and when they join, when you complete taxes, like the taxes you complete in a day, you can make up to 1,005. So, and plus the referral, which is about one referral that you refer, you make about 1,600 bonus commission for direct referrals. And also those people that you refer now, when they refer people now, you in 200 naira. So this is residual. You don't earn, so you earn this for lifetime, and you also enjoy 3% lifetime bonus any of or all your downlines, you understand? Those your downlines now that you refer, when they work, you earn 3% of their earning. So if they go do all these big jobs now, you receive 3% of their earning, you understand? And that's continuous, it don't end. So what is 3,000 naira? 3,000 naira doesn't 3,000 naira can't even buy you a cloth, you understand? You can what 3,000 can buy for you, but if you just put that 3,000 naira on this site, you can easily build a very high profitable system from this platform, because this platform pays you heavy, understand? And you can see that this site have already, you see, this their BN, you see, understand? So this is their BN to show you that they are well approved. And when you come right here, let me show you something. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something here. Let me show you guys something. Wait, let me show you guys something. When you come by here, you will see that this site in particular that I'm just telling you about, have paid out over 40 million naira to his members. You understand? So remember, this is the members earning. This is the money that the members have in 40 million naira, and he got about it was about 5,000 something, but now you see members are increasing. The last time I made it, I think it was about 5,000 something. Now it's about 74,706, 6,000 plus. You see members are increasing on a daily basis. So you better you join now. Just that penny 3,000, you can just put it there. You sign up easily, and you will start building something good for yourself. You understand? So I just decided to share these two great platforms that I've been using to make money online. No need of me keeping it myself. You understand? I will not benefit anything giving it myself, because there is love in sharing. So that's why I decided to share. You understand? So enjoy your membership profit, work from home. So, and this platform also is not only for Nigerians. People in United States, South Africa can also use this platform actually, because they are being included in terms of countries that can be able to use this platform actually. So if you want to make more research about OwoDaily, you can go and research more. So this is their YouTube channel actually. You can go to their YouTube channel to to watch more videos about them. You understand? So this is how it goes. Use my link at this video descriptions to get your welcoming bonus and sign up easily without getting misled by other false websites that are telling you that OwoDaily, because there are a lot of fake websites that are out there. When you search for OwoDaily, you see all kind of fake websites that are trying to prove that they are OwoDaily, but they are not. So use my link to get to the main legit site, the main verified site, which you will register and start making decent amount of money from the site. So thank you for watching. I don't want to waste much of your time. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please subscribe and like this video. I want this video to get up to 2,000 likes, so please like this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Thanks. Peace. I love you guys.